I'd had such a great experience with Grasshopper.
It has exceeded my expectations.
It was everything we expected and more, I think.
It's been amazing.
I loved it. Grasshopper promises you an adventure, and it is.
There are three words that are very important: to escape, to explore, and to connect.
The routes are very well planned out.
It's a type of topography and riding challenge that anybody can do.
You have breaks, there's food, there's drink, there's everything that you need, and you don't have to think about anything. So it's a very easy holiday.
The food's been outstanding.
The food is very delicious.
It was different, exotic, very much in heritage. Oh, the boat was wonderful.
It was so personal to have a small, intimate experience where it was just us. And you took great care of the non-cyclists.
My non-rider companion and I just got on famously.
I'm just addicted to the Grasshopper experience.
I'm doing it again.
There's no better way in my mind that you can connect with people, see where they live, and just experience